All right. So, is this the best time to buy Shiba Inu? We're going to discuss that as well as look at the chart and kind of the overall landscape. But here's the question. If you're thinking about buying SHIB right now, and by the way, this could really be applied to anything else, Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you name it. Is this the best time? The short answer is no, it is not the best time. And I'm actually going to give you proof of that in this video. I'm going to show you, but I'm also going to remind you of there's really two sides of this street. Okay. So if you're looking at buying and you're going to hold long term, now's probably as good a time as any to buy if you want. You don't need to really wait for a certain price point because the gains or losses will basically be kind of wiped out by waiting for it just to go a little bit lower, if you will. Because the gains you're going to get over time by holding for a year or two are going to be much more greater instead of perfectly timing it is what I'm trying to get at. Okay. So when that's go ahead. If you're looking at buying some, again, not investing advice, right? Do what's right for you. But whales have been adding. The whale activity is up 17+% in the last 20 days. Whale activity is up 17+%. And we have more whales that are moving into the trillionaire stage of holding trillions and trillions of tokens. Why? Because these whales are doing what I just talked about. They're buying and then they're holding long term. Okay. But if you're looking at the opportunity and trying to identify, hey, should I maybe buy? And this is what I was talking about right here. The whales are adding more trillionaire addresses. Okay, so basically, they're adding to their bags, right? So they're instead of having hundreds of billions, now we've had more of them that have moved into the trillionaire holding. They're holding trillions of SHIB tokens. This is what I wanted to show you. This is where the idea for this video came. Is this the right time to buy? Now, remember, I said up front, if you're looking at buying and holding long-term, buy now, it's fine, okay? Because I think we got a little bit more downside pressure here, and I think we could see SHIB go down into maybe the low sevens, like 5071. We might even see 5069 highs because I think we got some more downside pressure and risk in September. We got the Federal Reserve set to meet. We got, September's not been a great month for all of crypto. I've told you about this right here. Bitcoin historical trend. September is the worst month on record for the last 10 years. Bitcoin and all of crypto has basically ended the month of September in the red 8 out of those 10 years. Okay. So back to what I was talking about. SHIB has added more trillionaire addresses and surprising. We know we've been adding whales. They've been buying low. Okay. Now looking at this chart, this is what I wanted to show you. So if you're looking at trying to maybe time it or maybe trying to basically buy the perfect opportunity, I want to show you something. Like look at this right here. This is my software, momentum up, momentum down right here. This is my software, X1 Algo. You can get it in the link in the description below, but I'm going to show you why you want it. Here we go. So I want to show you something like right here. Back on August 23rd, you can see that the momentum up indicator fired on the 4-hour candle. And you can see right after that. So basically after that and all the way to that momentum down, that's about a 9% move up. Okay, that's cool. Okay, now what I really want to focus though is on this momentum down. Okay, so see this momentum down, and that's, by the way, I'm correlating this momentum down to this one right here. I'm painting a parallel. Okay, so this momentum down right here came out after this momentum up. So basically buy, sell, you made 10% on your money. Cool. By the way, another thing you need to remember is that you didn't lose 21% right there. See it where my mouse is? You didn't lose 21%. You made 10 points here. You made 10% on your money here. Put 1,000 in. You got your 1,000 back plus $100. Okay, but you didn't lose. More importantly, you didn't lose 21%. Okay, you didn't give it all back. You knew when to sell. Now remember, I said this video is really about this, indicate this and this one. Here's where I'm at. Is it the right time to buy right now? No, because we have not hit the bottom yet. We have not had a momentum up show up yet. You get my point, right? On this one, like we went all the way down to this, and then we got a momentum up. Now it was short-lived because we're consolidating. That's not my point. Okay. But my point is that you didn't lose 21% and then you got a momentum up. By the way, the momentum up and then it repainted and then we started moving down because the market's moving down. Okay. So again, my point here is that what I'm waiting on is this the right time to buy? I think we've got some more downside risk here. Okay. And I'm waiting for another momentum up box to say, now's the time to buy. That's why you need a trading indicator like mine. Don't use mine, use somebody else's. Okay. That's why you need a trading indicator, because it helps give you insight into when to buy. I can't make that a box. Get my point. Square down. Oh, see. Oh, that's why. There we go. You get my point. I can't draw with this thing. I suck at drawing on these kind of things. You get my point. All right. You need this software to give you insight. So no, it's not the right time to buy. Links in the description below. Yes, I'm talking a lot about it because you know why? I view my job as education. And if you're not using a trading indicator, don't use mine, use somebody else's. Right? By the way, mine price discount below takes it to 37 bucks. That's $1.23 a day. And oh, by the way, I give you a 30-day money back guarantee. If you're not fully satisfied, return it, get a complete refund. Okay. So if you're asking yourself, is this the right time to buy SHIB? No. Is this the right time to buy Bitcoin? No. We're waiting on another momentum up indicator to come to show up, right? By the way, you want to use it to buy and sell stock? Here's Apple. Momentum up right there to that is 28% right there. And look at this. We've got another scenario where we had a momentum up, down, up, and now we're in a down. So is it the right time to buy Apple stock right now? The short answer is no, because we don't have a momentum up. We're in a down cycle. So waiting for that momentum up. So how'd you like to be able to buy and sell any stocks? Make money on that side of the street as well. Software works for that. Links in the description below. Literally, here's the thank you page. You can be up and running in less than 5 to 10 minutes. These are step-by-step tutorials, everything you need to know. I'm telling you, this will help you. Take it for a test spin. You have zero risk because of a 30-day money-back guarantee. Please try it. Please. I'll see you.